Very exciting delivery just the other day. The Escea fireplace. Now this is a brand new design for Escea. So I think this one actually, first one in the country. And the format of the screen is going to be more square, which is going to fit into that old existing opening really just absolutely perfect. So I've still got some work to do. Obviously I've got to unwrap it, I've got to get it across there to the chimney, and then I've got the instructions. I can start setting up for the fireplace and then the installation. It's relatively straightforward what's involved. What's really interesting is that the flue kit that comes with it is a 100mm pipe and then an 80mm pipe, and that's all connected to a power flue which will go on the top of the chimney. I've also wired it for data, so if I can get some Cat6 cable in there, then I'll be able to control the fireplace from my phone.